include Paris, Barcelona and Amsterdam, but no Belfast. And the weather turning windy and rainy as the day goes on, highs of 8 degrees. That's your latest from downtown Cool FM News. It's 11:02.
Do you run a growing business that specialises in professional cuddling workshops? Or perhaps you're running a cat day spa that offers herbal paw reflexology? Or maybe you're a retailer with 4 barns worth of healing crystals? No matter what your growing business is, at Barclaycard we take all card payments seriously. In store or online, we have a payment solution.
With the skills you're looking for. I needed someone with a master's in computer science and database design experience. Plus, Indeed screener questions help you find your shortlist fast. Now I'm back to just having one job. Get a £50 credit to give your first job posting premium placement at indeed.com/redeem. Terms, conditions, quality standards and usage limits apply. Additional terms online.
Spar's Enjoy Local range is made locally with love. The products all come from trusted suppliers near you. And the flavours were adored by over 2,000 independent...
Honestly.
Good FM, hello there.
How are you?
I'm alright, thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm good now. Just phoning because I heard the wee noise.
So the wee noise, you mean the sound effect that our production team spent 3 weeks on? You're calling it the wee noise?
That's right.
What's your name?
It's Richard.
You plus one are off to inflate a park with We Are Vertigo.
Thanks very much.
The Adrenaline Rush with We Are Vertigo. Fly high at a skydive party. Unleash the thrills with a group package at wearevertigo.com.
Hey, what's up? This is Justin Bieber. You're listening to number one hit music station.
Forward with that appointment. The only difference will be that instead of the post being ratified by a local minister, the post will have to be ratified by the Secretary of State.
Police investigating the disappearance of the student. Libby Squires have arrested a 24-year-old man. Libby, who's 21 and at the University of Hull, hasn't been seen for a week. Catherine Stancheston has more.
Humberside police say finding Libby Squire is their top priority. A week on from her disappearance, officers will drive around the streets close to where she was last seen with a large digital screen.
Technology with either being flown or transferred from a third country to the EU, right, where there are no land borders per se, then it is done through technology.
filter lane in the middle of the road.
Back to let the moment linger. Let go and embrace
Believe that. Come on, like. Sit there for that length of time and then pull out.
Yesterday to win 4-3 at Aberdeen, while Rangers drew 1-1 with Hibs. And that's all the sport.
The Cool FM weather, brought to you by Harry Corey. Cozy up to great savings in all our departments in our winter sale.
Mostly dry.
No, you
Now is the perfect time to take a fresh look at Homebase in the big kitchen sale.
absolutely.
Half price on all Homebase kitchen doors and drawer fronts. And if you buy a kitchen, I'll give you an extra 10% off the entire kitchen.
Feels like drowning, trouble, sleeping, restless, dreaming.
No lights, lights.